Some of the ingredients we are using today may not be very common in Cameroonian kitchens, but here at Flavor Lab with Zidel, we love exploring new flavors, we love variety, and most importantly, we love stepping out of our comfort zone. That is exactly why today we are making this delicious Asian-inspired vegetable stir-fry paired with teriyaki salmon. It's flavorful, it's fresh, it's easy to make, and best of all, it comes together in no time. So let's get cooking. We'll start with the salmon. For this recipe, I'm using store-bought teriyaki sauce. I'm going to combine that with some ground garlic and ginger. Then pour it generously over the salmon. I'm using the salmon that comes 4 pieces in one packet, and before adding the sauce, I lightly season the fish with just a bit of salt. To finish, I sprinkle some sesame seeds on top, not just for taste, but also for that beautiful contrast of color. Now pop the salmon into the oven and bake at 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. While the salmon is baking, let's move on to the vegetables. For this stir fry, I'm using leeks, carrots, red onion, white cabbage, red bell pepper, and garlic. The goal here is to cut the vegetables into small to medium-sized pieces so they cook quickly and evenly. Now, let me tell you a little story. Stir fries like this were not really my thing until one day I was gifted a big box filled with ingredients like soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, teriyaki sauce, and so many others. I was completely clueless. Some of them even expired because I didn't know how to use them, and I hated the idea of wasting food. So I decided to do a little research, and oh my goodness, I've been hooked ever since. So for today's stir fry sauce, we are keeping it simple. It's a combination of oyster sauce, sweet chili sauce, sesame oil, and some rice vinegar. If you're wondering where to find these ingredients, check out Asian grocery stores or even your local supermarket. Now everything is ready and it's time for some magic. Heat up some oil in a wok or large pan and then add in the garlic and saute until fragrant. Then go in with the onions and let them release that beautiful aroma. Then you add your carrots. So the idea here is to cook the harder vegetables first because stir fries move fast. We don't want our vegetables overcooked and soft, but we also don't want them raw. We are aiming for that perfect balance, tender but still crispy. Once the carrots soften slightly, add in the rest of the vegetables. Stir fry for a few more minutes, then pour in the sauce. Stir everything together and let it cook for just a couple of minutes. Season with a little salt and black pepper, and if you like some heat, a sprinkle of chili flakes wouldn't be bad at all. And just like that, we are done. The vegetables are ready, the salmon is perfectly baked, and of course I have some jasmine rice waiting on the side. Now it's time to plate and eat. This dish is so fresh, colorful, crispy, and ridiculously easy to make. It's proof that stepping out of your comfort zone in the kitchen can be so rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Flavor Lab with Zidel if you haven't already, and share this recipe with your friends so they can try something different too. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye.